Hello YouTube, I thought I'd show my really small lighter and my big lighter. I did pass up one at a truck stop with the big Herman Munster, like 6 inches. This is like 3.5 inches tall by 2 inches wide. I may get one someday. I seen it at a truck stop locally. I should have got it. Okay, these were gave away in gumball machines. This is made in Japan. We're gonna go ahead and light it while we still have it working. Okay. So there's the little baby one. And it does say made in Japan on it. Down around the bottom. I'll snap a picture of that, okay? It had like a keychain on it. These were what you could get when I was a kid in a gumball machine. So like back in the 70s. Okay, here's their regular size Zippo, and here's the one I got at the carnival. Pretty cheesy. You see how many times I was striking it. It's pretty cheap. Just a carnival item. I didn't put a whole lot of fluid. I put some in it, turned it upside down for about 15 minutes just to get it to work on camera. I didn't want to take a half bottle to fill it. There you go. Of course, there's your regular size Zippo. It's got the biggest flame of them all. So. There you go. I'll give you a photo of these. Thanks for watching.